Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been posting that much, but I haven't really had any idea of what to do. So today I got 2 new dinosaurs from K-Hub or Target. Jurassic World Dominion. First one is the, I don't know, something saurus. Yanchinosaurus. I'm bad at names. So the first one, pretty good packaging. It's got action feature like that. Down. And then it's also got look, card thingy. Scissors I found. Now we unbox. So the first thing I've realized about this, and many other ones, is that they all have weird looking brown smudges across them all, like they took a dump on them or somebody just did really bad paint jobs. The second thing I realized is that they didn't even bother to paint the toes or fingernails or something like that. They didn't even bother. So I can roll like this, shake its head, try to grab stuff. It's a pretty good mold. And be sad boy. Moving on to the Quetzalcoatlus. I don't know how to say the names. I got it. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. Ooh. Ah. The first thing I realized about this one is that it can go diving underwater. It's my fan. It's my one and only fan. So, the first thing I realized about it, like I already said, is that the wings can do pretty much everything. I think I already said it. Second thing is that there's a little groove underneath the neck, which I thought was going to be something to open up the neck. See that? Tiny. Can't see it properly. Now, oh yeah. There's an opening mouth system so we can grab you. Ooh, another thing to scan. And like I said with the other one, this one has poop smudges as well. He took a dump. Even on his leg. Disgusting. I think that they could have made a mechanism so that you don't have to push in the wings so hard, or push in the button on the wings so it actually just flaps up and down. You have to have a Ultraman grip. So if he was going underwater, he could use this like a peregrine falcon and just go La 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 la. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again later.